Hi, this is chapter 2 of my German course, and today I would like to teach you how to greet somebody and how to introduce yourself to maybe somebody new. And we have a formal and an informal way of doing so. The informal way is very normal amongst younger Germans for sure, but even the older are starting to be a little bit less formal. But one of the quite informal ways of introducing yourself or saying hello is just saying hello or hi, very international. Now, depending on the time of the day, you could also say Guten Morgen, meaning good morning. Or if it's a little bit later in the day, you would just say Guten Tag, meaning good day. Or if it is towards the evening, and then you would say Guten Abend, good evening. And if it's time to go to bed, you would say Gute Nacht, good night. Then if you would like to express that you care about this other person, you just say, which in English is quite common to say, how are you? So in German you say, wie geht es dir? Which is the informal version, or wie geht es Ihnen? Which is more formal, but you still want to know how this person is doing. Then if you would like to say your name to introduce yourself, you would go, ich heiße Nadja. Another form would be, ich bin Nadja. Or, mein Name ist Nadja. If you would like to tell where you are from or where you are living, so if you want to say where you're from, you would say, ich komme aus Deutschland. Or, ich bin in Deutschland geboren. If you would like to say where you are living, currently living, then you would say, ich wohne in Berlin. Ich komme aus Berlin. If you would like to tell a person what your profession is, there's so many to choose from. So you would just say, ich bin Übersetzerin. Ich arbeite als Software-Ingenieur. Ich bin Ingenieur. If you speak other languages, you would say it this way. Ich spreche Deutsch, Englisch und Spanisch. Hobbies. If you would like to talk about what you like to do in your spare time, you would express it this way. Meine Hobbys sind Sprachen, Fotografieren und Wandern. This was a short intro on how to introduce yourself and talk a little bit more about yourself to others. I will add a little quiz at the bottom. You can practice if you have learned anything, which I hope you have. And I also will make a list of different professions that you can use that maybe apply to you a little bit more than my examples. And I would love to hear about where you're from and why you want to learn German and what you've already tried. Thank you so much and see you next time.